Hello, this mini video will be about explaining how to convert from moles of a given substance to grams of a given substance. In this case, we want to know about how many grams there are in 6.25 moles of calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is right here. So the first step is to find the molar mass of calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium hydrogen carbonate, as you can see, based on its formula, has calcium in it. So 1 mole of calcium is going to weigh 40.078 grams, as seen here. But for our purposes, we can just round this 40.078 to 40. Then calcium hydrogen carbonate also has 2 moles of hydrogen atoms there, and each mole of hydrogen weighs 1 gram. It also has 2 moles of carbon. We distribute this 2. Each carbon is going to weigh 12.011 grams, which rounds to 12. And finally, we have oxygen. We have 6 oxygen atoms here because this 3 is distributed to this 2. Hence, there are 2 hydrogen carbonate anions for every calcium cation. So that's why we have 6 oxygen atoms in this formula. A simpler way to think of this is that we have 3 times 2 is 6. Each oxygen atom weighs 16 grams if you take half a mole of those atoms. So this will allow us to find the molar mass of calcium hydrogen carbonate. If we do the math here, we get 42 plus 24 plus 96. That brings us to 162 grams per mole. Okay, so the next step would be to find grams given moles. So if 1 mole of calcium hydrogen carbonate weighs 162 grams, then how many grams do 6.25 moles of this substance weigh? So we just do 6.25 moles times 162 grams per mole. And we should get something close to 800, no, more than that. Something close to 900 and we get close to 1,000. So we get 1,012.5 grams. This would be the final answer. Now for our purposes, since we're rounding, we might want to change this symbol to this, because these are approximate values. And now we're done, right? Due to rounding, we have about 162 grams in each mole of calcium hydrogen carbonate, and we have 1,012 grams in a sample that contains 6.25 moles of calcium hydrogen carbonate.